Hello, this is Blazing Reaper and today I will be teaching you on how to make the origami flapping bird using a sheet of printer size A4 paper. This is a pre-made model of the origami flapping bird. As you can see, if you hold the neck and pull the tail, its wings flap. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is turn the paper into a square. To do that, fold the left side all the way to the right side as far as it can go until the edges collide. As you can see, once you've done that, there will be some excess. Just take a ruler and tear it off. Then once you open it, you can see you have a horizontal line. Turn the paper, then fold it in half from the top to the bottom. Then open it, then from the left to the right. Once you folded it, unfold it. Then fold it back on that first line you have. Then as you can see, there will be a small diamond. Just let me darken the line, the folds. And two triangles, a diamond and two triangles. Fold both triangles inwards until it is inside the diamond. So once again, push it in and fold it down. Then you'll see you'll have something like this: one top flap, two bottom flaps, and one bottom flap. Then here's carry it up. Here's a bit tricky. Fold it inwards until the middle for both sides. And as you can see, it doesn't let you do it fully. Just bend the back and do it all the way till the edge. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Then turn the paper around and do it the same for the other side. So push it up. Fold the side into the middle. It might, some of the folds might be a bit rough, so you just need to put your thumb in it and just round off the edges. Then you should have something like this. As you can see, the points are not aligned, but that doesn't matter. If it's aligned or if it's not aligned, it doesn't really change it. So turn it sideways, open it, and then push the bottom flap to the top and then fold it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold it up and then close it. Then you should have something that looks like this. Then take the folded parts and pull it out, and then curve these edges and press it down. Do the same thing for the opposite side. Then take the right side of the paper, the sharper edge, and fold it in itself like this. So fold it in itself and you should get a shape like this. Then fold the wings towards the head. Once you've done that, and if you followed all the steps correctly, you should have your flapping bird. here's a small tip: don't pull it too hard or the bottom part here will tear, and once it tore, your bird won't be able to flap. So once again, hold the neck, hold the tail, and pull the tail. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up, like it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment.